Today, the crew at Masterpiece Gardenscapes will be installing a pebble border similar to the one here. We'll show you how we do it and what we do to get it done.
We start by clearing the earth of any debris and leveling the ground where we're going to place our pebbles. This includes shoveling, grading, raking, leaf blowing, and of course, the skid steer. We have a Toro TX1000 wide compact utility loader, and we use it for everything. We put all our debris into one big pile, and we use a skip bin to haul it off-site. Our last step in prepping the earth is to use the loader to level the ground. This creates a nice flat surface to lay our pebbles on. With the ground prepped and ready, Dan takes the loader to focus on debris removal while the rest of the crew starts installing the pebbles. There is no secret trick to pebble installation. It takes a lot of shovelfuls and a little elbow grease. Our last step is cleanup. We use our rakes to level up the pebbles and use the leaf blowers to blow everything back into place. In total, we placed over 100 meters of pebbles at this job site. Be sure to tune in next time. There's a lot of work to be done. We'll be installing over 30 cubic worth of topsoil next to a brand new retaining wall. Thanks for watching.